So what's up guys, today I'm going to be installing a new Masterlink on the BitBike. So it is a little bit easier to get the chain on once you take off your cover. So I'm going to go ahead and put the chain on. So once you get the chain on and just the Masterlink put through, you want to put on this little flat thing that it comes with. Should slide on pretty easy, and then you want to take this and put it so the curved part is facing your motor. So when the chain comes through, if it hits anything, it just knocks the Masterlink more on than knocking it off. So you just want to slide the first part over this, and then grab your pliers and grab it just like this, and just give it a little squeeze, and it should pop on pretty easily. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple to put these Masterlinks on. Stays on pretty good. So leave a comment where I should take the bike.
Hey, plug up. I don't even understand how my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. New freak had to cut my other little bitch off.